Yeah, so okay, excuse the poor quality of this video because it is my laptop webcam. But here we go. Okay, I do respect your opinion, and I can definitely see where you're coming from about the whole Google to stick with what they usually do and build up upon other people's um, inventions, I guess. Like I understand what you're saying about how they needed a new video service, so they acquired YouTube and their search engine, and how they have all their Google Docs and Google Gears and Gmail and things like that. Um, and how they already have Android. And just right off the bat, I guess to tell you, I'm kind of a Google fanboy, if that even exists. I realize that the Apple fanboys exist, and you have the PC fanboy. Well, I'm a Google fanboy, as you can see by my phone. Yeah. Um, yeah. But I can totally see where you're coming from. However, and there's always a however. Um, I do think that it's kind of a good idea that they're doing this, just for the reason that maybe OSs need to be rethinked upon. Rethink? Yeah, I think that's the appropriate word. Because I was listening to a recent podcast, I believe it was today or yesterday, that was discussing this, and I kind of agree with what they said, that Microsoft and Apple's OS has been around for quite some time, and so they're originally built upon antiquated methods of computing. And Google is all about this whole computer revolution and such. So perhaps this new operating system of theirs will be for, I don't know, the 21st century. Not that Windows and OS X or whatever the new one is, Snow Leopard, are antiquated or old-fashioned or anything like that, or unusable. Which is quite the contrary. They're actually quite usable. Well, people have said their things about Vista, but I digress. Maybe this is pretty good for, I don't know, computing nowadays for today's generation of users. Maybe this whole lightweight OS thing is a good thing, since now, again, it's going to be based around Google's productivity, obviously with their whole Google Docs and their whole Gmail client, stuff like that. So you won't need necessarily to have your own native client for email or native client for word processing or for PowerPoint, since it's a web-based design. And the whole startup thing in a few seconds is very attractive, considering that it takes a couple seconds for my own laptop to start up. But yeah, that's just my opinion, and thanks for hearing it. Bye.